Manipur employee ama tha anida promotion anira karam le pion oina thabak changkhiba miyoy ama chief account officer kare Manipur haiba state asida de law haiba na karino law nataba na karino haiba mafam khangde angak pa thogdok ngakta thokpagi pau tana re tana riba pausing asigi manungda masak thokpa angak pa ama haiba taraga de grade 4 pion oina thabak changkhiba employee ama grade 1 gi officer oina chief account officer da promotion pi re masida sunatana tha anida aniraghan promotion karam le pausi asina phangba document kharagi matungin na Manipur Khadi and Village Industry Board MKVIB da kumza 2003 ge April tha da da in harness scheme gi makada grade 4 pion oina changlakhiba miyoy kumza 2009 gi September tha da computer operator oina promotion piramkhe hairiba employee asi kumza 2016 gi March tha da storekeeper oina Manipur Khadi and Village Industry Board ta promotion PK madugi matung tarakpada miyoy adu kumza 2021 gi June 19 da matam adugi MKBIB gi Chief Executive Officer H Karuna Devi na thokpa order amagi matungin na hairiba miyoy ase storekeeper dagi office superintendent oina promotion PK adubu hairiba employee adu promotion hekabagi order thokiba nongan badagi sahi adugi July 10 ga mga fauba ase mari leynaba authority dagi suti niba natraga ayaba amata lawdana office karakhide maduna maram oiraga miyoy adu kumza 2021 ge July 13 da MKBIB ge member secretary N Jogindro Singhana order ama thoktuna thabak tagi suspend tawkhe mahaki mathakta mari leynaba ayaba yawdana office karaktabagi damak action lawkhanaba proceedings atharingai gi serakta sahi adumaki July 13 matamadugi Manipur laingake Deputy Secretary Textile Commerce and Industry Joel K. Haukipna khuyek piduna hairiba miyoy adubu Class 2 post dagi mathak thongba posting EI1 DO AO na chingba kaya kalaga Class 1 post oiriba MKBIB ge Chief Account Officer amasung Financial Advisor gi post promotion pibagi order ama Manipur gi Governor gi mingda thorokibane hairiba miyoy ase thangnaba tha ani gi manungda promotion anirak pirakhiba duda atai employees sing angak pa phauna khe loina na maikai kaya dagi Chief Minister gi thak fawa yauna wakat pukhana rakhe matau kamdong na employee asina apik pa post ama dagi awang pathaki post ama yauna promotion mathang karakhiba no haibagi matangda official oiba wafam ama ta phongba ngamdre masigi su mathakta chenariba miyoy asigi oiba wafam su pau phauna ba ngamdabana miyam da thamba ngamdre amarom da hiram asiga mari lainana kumza 2012 ke March 13 matamadugi Khadi and Village Industry Board ke chairman oiramba L Radha Kisorna Manipur Lainga ke Secretary Commerce and Industry da ai bacherol thaduna miyoy adugi pifam thokpa thage tolop pithok pidana ba khangan khiba laike cherol adu da miyoy adu matau karamna KBIB da thabak changlakhiba magna promotion karakhiba masung ma kari maram gi damak thabak tagi suspend tawkhiba no haibadu marik sumna ibaga loinana makpu tha ani gi manungda promotion anirak pirambagi wafam na chingba adu mayek sengna palle chairman secretary da ikhiba cherol adu da miyoy adubo Financial Advisor amasung Chief Account Officer oina thabak promotion pibagi order thogliba miyoy adusu Manipur Public Servants Personal Liabilities Act 2006 ki Section 4 amasung 5 loinana Manipur Public Servant Personal Liabilities Rule 2006 ki Rule number 4 5 amasung 6 ka loinana paraga High Power Committee ama semlaga thijilhanba yai haina palamkhe loinana July 13 mahakpu promotion pibaga mari leinana thoklamkhiba order adu mari lainaba authority gi ayaba yawduna thokibani haina palle maram aduna miyoy aduda Financial Advisor amasung Chief Account Officer ama oibagi tolop adu pifam thokti haina mayek sengna palamkhe masida matau karamna grade 3 post ki employee amana marakta laiba post sing kalaga grade 1 post ta promotion pirakhibano haibase hauzik achawba wahang oiduna leire